Namaste. The game is called Math Masters Challenge, conducted in the Flip Flap studio. Round 1, Ladder Clip Challenge. The students are expected to build a math ladder using the rope given. Students solve 7 BODMAS questions, write answers on slips and clip them with the questions on the rope at the knot. Incorrect answers must be corrected before progressing. Round 2. It is a puzzle challenge. Pick a challenge question to solve, which could be a number puzzle, picture puzzle, pattern, logic, or a magic square. Using whiteboard markers, mention the right answer on the board. Pass the crossing and reach the digital board for round 3. It is called Coin Builders Challenge. There are 2 spin wheels on the digital board. Spin one to obtain a target amount and spin the other one to get the denominations. Build the amount using counters for the given denomination. The winner will be decided who completes the challenge in the shortest time.